Hi, welcome to 20 Nightingale Street, Hamilton, 3 bedroom, 2 bath. Let's have a quick look at the house. We come in and we come to the main living area. Big windows, big living space. This can be used as a dining or an extended living room. We have our first washroom here. This is a full wash with a stand-in shower. We have a big kitchen, all stainless steel appliances. We have a walkout to the garden as well. Let's go into first of the rooms. This can be used as a den or as an office. This is the entrance towards the basement. It's an unfinished basement, so you can use it as storage. Let's quickly go up to the rooms. Carpeted stairs. We have hardwood floors otherwise in the house. Let's come to the first room. Big bright room. Let's go to the second one, which is right next to it. Bright room again with a lot of closet space. We have our laundry here. We have one washroom here, which is a full bath. We will come to the third bedroom, which has its own closet space.